to fix marketplace icon missing on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app. Now make sure to log into your account. Also make sure that you're using the latest version of Facebook. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you want to tap on this gear icon to open up your settings. Here scroll down and get to the preferences section. Here find tab bar, select that. Now tap customize the bar. Now find marketplace. Select this. Now if it is set to hidden, now if this is set to hide, then what you want to do is select either auto or select pin. You want to select the pin option over here. Once you have pinned it, now head back. Once you head back, you will find the marketplace option very easily over here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.